Okay, so these light fixtures, and like I said, see how wide this is? I mean, it seems wide to me. You may not be able to get the full grip of how wide these are because the standard ones are a lot narrower. A lot of times you've only got 2 bulbs in a light fixture, or maybe you've got 3 bulbs. This particular case, there's 4 bulbs in each one of these. Can you believe that? Four bulbs per light fixture for a little laundry room? My word, they could have gotten by maybe with a light fixture here with 2 bulbs here, 2 bulbs down there. Now, if you're stretched for money, here's what I want to tell you. If you're stretched for money, maybe you say, I'm just going to buy 4 bulbs. Okay? And I'll put 2 bulbs here and 2 new bulbs over here. Or if these are still working, you don't necessarily have to replace these. Just know that eventually, coming soon, these are going to burn out because these have already burned out, okay? So if you only had enough money to buy 4, you're like, I can't, there's no way I'm spending $45 for these lights. Maybe you just put 2 bulbs over here, 2 new bulbs over here. Now you still got 4 bulbs in here. That's plenty of light, I would think. If that was my decision, that's what I would do. But powers above me tell me I've got to replace all of them. And I know there's 1 bulb over here that's out, and I'm just going to go ahead. I think I'm just going to go ahead and replace those. But I'm going to take this cover out. We're going to both look at this together and make a determination what we think needs to happen over here, if anything at all. And that is after I replace these bulbs over here. That way, after I replace those bulbs, I can still have the light. So when I take these out, I still got some light in here. And yes, I've got my construction light in here too. I've got plenty of light in here until I get done with this project, okay? And so you could put 2 bulbs there. Going further, you could go 2 there, 2 there. And generally, if you want to put 2 bulbs, now I don't know anymore. I used to work on these years ago, and they could all be different now because this is a 4-tuber. And I'm thinking there's 2 ballasts in here. 1 ballast for 2 bulbs, the other ballast for 2 bulbs. Now they also have a ballast, 1 ballast for all 4 bulbs. They also have, if this was a 3-tube light fixture, they have a ballast for all 3-tube light fixtures, or they might have two ballasts in there. 1 ballast is for 2 bulbs, 1 ballast is for 1 bulb. You just never know until you take that metal cover out. We don't necessarily have to take the metal cover out because I'm not messing with the ballasts, okay? I'm just worried, I'm just working on the light bulbs, okay? Now, if you were going to replace just 2 bulbs, I think, and if there were 2 ballasts in here, 1 ballast is going to be for the 2 inside ones, 1 ballast is going to be for the very outside ones, okay? But if this ballast, if there's only 1 ballast in here, maybe it doesn't matter how you line everything up. But if I was only going to put 2 bulbs in these fixtures, wouldn't it make sense to do the 2 outside ones to get your full amount of light possible? You could do the 2 inside or the 2 outside, something like that, and it might save you a few dollars, okay? In my case, they're all going to be replaced, and I know, you know, sometimes maybe you only have 1 bulb that's out, and you put in a brand new bulb, and the rest of the bulbs go back on. Hey, sometimes that works, but I would not do that on these bulbs for a reason. You see the ends, see how brown, see how black they are right there. You can see at those ends, and you look at the other ends, and they're pretty black, right? And here's the one that came out. Okay, see how black it is right there? Well, that tells me even if 1 or 2 of those other bulbs were working, they're going to burn out fairly soon. And here's another thing to realize that you might not know So I'm going to tell you that on fluorescent bulbs, if you've got only 1 or 2 bulbs burned out and you're not paying attention and the other 2 bulbs are working, you're like, yeah, that's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and leave them. You put in the new bulbs. Do you know your new bulbs could burn out faster because you didn't replace the other bulbs? That's just kind of how these fluorescent tubes work sometimes. Okay, so for all those reasons, you might want to consider when you have a bulb burn out, you might want to replace the other ones. And like I say, once I get to this cover, I'll show you how to remove the cover because that's part of this video lesson. And I'll show you how to do that. And we'll take a look at those bulbs together. But before we take this one out, I am going to be replacing these. That's coming up next. But first, I want to talk about this cover.